lapha esishiya khona sekuyobonakala ke mase siphumile eGolgotha.
Otherwise uthini nje uma-member.
Umember we-Fountain.
Yes.
Bafethu hayi ngibona nje ugodo omuhle kakhulu.
Uhappy ngendawo.
Hayi ngihappy kakhulu right kakhulu le ndawo. Atmosphere yakhona nje right.
Nangulo mfowethu nisibona nje sigcwala oyamana sifikelela kuwo wonke amazwe ile ndoda ke sihlanganise transport. Ndoda amadoda akuhamba kanjani awuthi ngime ngapha.
Uhamba kahle njani?
Uzizwa kanjani nje sokubona indawo?
Athe lo suku ka Friday alifika umbafa.
Ukuthi uhappy kakhulu ngayo yonke into.
Kakhulu.
Hayi no.
Abantu mabeze sizothola amazwi.
Hayi no. Siyabonga.
Ulela wami bafu.
Hayi angithune ngawe mholi.
Hayi kulungile.
Hayi naku nikuphi lana mhlawumbe uzosinika wena location.
Kuthiwa i-Delair in Afrikaans Voltrekker apha eStellenbosch.
Ulikhona khona la eStellenbosch phasi.
Lapha nje eStellenbosch nje mawufika nje etown yaseStellenbosch, it's just less than 2 kilometers away. Then sewufikile. Basically ungasho ukuthi so besihleli nje edolobheni impela throughout the weekend.
Manje uma ngabe ngiwumuntu nje mhlambe ngikhona akukho la ngingakhona ngiyafisa ukuhlanganela labazalwane endaweni kanjena ukuvumelekile noma ithini?
Fortunately i-leadership yebandla isebenze kakhulu ukuthi whoever umuntu ozifumana mhlawumbe make ndithi aka-affordanga ukuphuma nebandla lakhe or akananda wakhonza kuyo but uyafuna ukuthi naye akazo-observa isikhumbuzo sokubethelwa kwenkosi Yesu Kristu then akwazi ukuthi azosijoyina thina si-open kakhulu kumahala nje ukuza umuntu ezokhonza nathi nje sibabaza udumo lukaKristu kumahala anyone can come wamukelekile.
Siyabonga. Last question mhlambe uzizwa kanjani ngayo le ndawo mhlambe nje ama-highlight wakho uthi hayi happy kakhulu ngakho given mhlambe iphasi
yabona la emva kwaleli cango leli inkulu into ezokwenzeka la inkulu into ezokwenzeka la the standard nje se hall le it allows the quality of umsebenzi esizowenza ukuthi siwenze kahle isivumela ukuthi whether musically whether in terms of preaching siyenze sisendaweni uNkulunkulu angajabula ukuba kuyona indawo eclean kakhulu indawo attractive kakhulu which actually resonate kakhulu ne Fountain of Salvation. You can feel then kumpompoza amanzi so I'm happy with this venue. Because ke ngumuntu osebenza kakhulu ke with my wife also I'm quite confident that she will be happy in the kitchen and they will be preparing the best food ever in that kitchen because there's quite everything that umuntu angathi uyayidinga. So we were comfortable. We've got a good space for social events. We've got a nice venue for delivery services. Everything is on point. We've got rooms to sleep. So everything is sorted. We have ticked almost all the boxes. We are just ready to meet on Friday. Sizokwenza nje lokho kumele ukuthi sikwenze without any pressure. Konke sikubeke ezandleni zikaNkulunkulu.
Ngizobala ne-base futhi i-setup ilula kakhulu. Yini oza nayo mhlawumbe ake ngiyibeke kanjani ngiyibuze kanjani. Ngizobala ne-bed as well.
Uze ebhedini. Mangisho kanje uza nje ebhedini. There's nothing that you bring. The bedding is provided. It's already sorted. I just checked. Already beds are sorted. You only bring your toiletry bag for you to refresh in between. Yasazi ke singamaziyoni uthi ukhonza nje Friday ebusuku uyasho ba ibed yami ngilindile. I don't have to unpack. I don't have to uba ndiphatha ama suitcase amakhulu is to just pack my white ngiphinde futhi ngipheke ink ngufake nje ebhekeni kahle bese kuba yintwana nje ezimbalwa zokushintsha we're good to go. We don't have to carry mthwalo uze ngeteksi etsala i-trailer maweze ePhasikeni. All that is sorted. So nje kulula kakhulu. Akho umuntu one stress uthi suitcase ngizoyibolekwa ngubani ngoba nginayo. Yonke into sorted.
Yeah, mhlambe ukucacisela mhlambe nombukelo kanye whosoever olalele le video. Yini mhlambe njengomholi ukubaleka ukuthi mhlambe uhostel iphasika endaweni eba kanje other than ukuthi mhlambe ungene noma ke yithi mhlambe kusesikoleni elokishini okanye kanjani. Yini ithini mhlambe inhloso yokuthi nigcina ni decide ukuthi niyaye ni opt for indawo ezikanje?
Yeah, you see this question, I'm always emotional because
Yes.
sometimes people they do this, they take bachoza lezi ndawo, but spend a lot of money for the sake of your content. For Retina, reasons behind is because one of the things that says prioritize kakhulu is safety yabazalwane. Because esikoleni anyone can be able to invade that space, umuntu angangena, then is safety yabazalwane ke ngoku it's not guaranteed in that space, meaning that imoto zabo siqinisekanga ukuthi safe kwabona kungangena noba ngibani enze nantoni na kubo, kanti kulesi space it's under security for 24 hours, there are cameras, there's everything, so they are safe. That is very important. Even the fact that now the space itself is kind of isolated, so the noise pollution is not here, won't be found. It's only what we'll be making, the sound that will be heard here is sound as obiyenziwa city. Sizokwazi ukuziva lento esiyenzayo more than to be in a space as congested. Uyayiva isound yomculo yabantu abangakhonziyo abazi entertainayo over the weekend. So it's very important that ezi events ezingalendlela zize kule ndawo. You look beyond the expenses but ubheke the factors nezinto ozazi enjoya ozakwenza ukuthi ube comfortable, because you need to deliver iphasika ngendlela enesidima kakhulu nehlonipheke kakhulu, because lesi sigameko ayisosigameko nje esilula sokuthi kube khona umuntu oncama impilo yakhe for abanye abantu, so ifuna ukuhlonishwa kakhulu lonto le.
Hayi no siyabonga. One last angifuna ukuthi question ngizothi nje message ongayidlulisa kuma members webandla.
Kuma members ebandla ngifuna ukusho nje into yokuqala ukuthi izwi lesiphambano liwula kulabo ababhubhayo. Lento isho ukuthini, you don't want to miss this opportunity yokuthi lingehli izwi lesiphambano wena ububulaleke ekhaya ungekho kule ndawo lizobe likhulunywa khona izwi lesiphambano. Ngithi wonke umuntu makapakishe emsinya enze sure ukuthi izinto zakhe zonke zinge-order. On Friday abamba indlela nje eza eDelair ayazi ukuthi sonke sizokhonza sizodumisa uNkulunkulu. Ngithi mabeze bakhululeke kusemthonjeni la wamanzi apholileyo othi uma waphuzile kuphole namanxeba obuwazwile, so nothi kunencebane engelizwayo konede nje kumpompozela amanzi kothi nje kubethe u10 o'clock ekseni Friday uyobisho leyo nto leyo, ngobe konke kwehla amaphapho kwehla umoya, yonke into ihamba kahle kakhulu. So ngithi nje abazalwane bonke kuyindawo zonke sibala wena eHermanus mabasondele abazalwane, eStrand abazalwane mabasondele, Stellenbosch and surroundings ngithi abazalwane mabasondele, eKhayelitsha abazalwane mabasondele, bayabizwa eStellenbosch bezokhonza iminyango ivuliwe. Enkosi kakhulu.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu. Hayi no sibongile.